How to connect Netflix to another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can connect Netflix to another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say that you are logged in on a certain device over here, and when you are logged in on a certain device you want to log into another device, but you can't just connect it, because what you need to do is you need to enter the password and the credentials manually. Without that you will not be able to log in or connect or whatever else it is that you're trying to do. You can't just say, oh, there is a QR code and I want to scan it from here, I don't remember my password, so will it automatically log in? Well, absolutely no, because on the other device you have to open the Netflix app, tap the login option from the top right, make sure to enter your email address and phone number manually here, and once you make sure to enter those details manually, you can just tap the sign in option to log in, and the accounts, of course, they're going to get automatically connected. What you're going to watch on your one phone will also be synced on another phone from the same profile, of course. So that's how it's going to work as well. So basically, hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.